In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for Windows updates on your computer. It's a simple process that ensures your device is running the latest software, keeping it secure and functioning optimally. So let's get started right away. First, make sure you're on your computer's desktop. This is the main screen that you see when you've logged into your computer, and it might display various icons, a background image, and the taskbar at the bottom. Now, the next thing you're going to do is access the Start menu. There are two ways you can do this. You can either click the Windows key on your keyboard, which is usually found on the lower left side between the Control and Alt keys, or you can click the small Windows logo located on the taskbar, typically at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you've opened the Start menu, you'll want to look for the Settings option. It might be directly visible, or you might need to type Settings into the search bar if you don't see it immediately. This section is crucial because it's where you can adjust many of your computer's features and preferences, including system updates. Now that you're in Settings, find and click on the category labeled Windows Update. This section is dedicated to managing updates for your Windows operating system. Here you'll be able to see if there are any updates pending for your computer. If your PC is not yet updated to the latest version, you might notice a notification saying that your PC is ready to update, potentially to Windows 11 if you haven't done so already. It's important to keep your system updated with the latest version available to enjoy new features and ensure security patches are applied, protecting your computer from vulnerabilities. In my case here, I'm already running Windows 11, so the update notification may look different. But for you, if you're prompted to update, you simply need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Depending on the size of the update, this might take some time, so it's a good idea to ensure your device is plugged in and has a stable connection throughout the process. And that's it. Once you've checked for updates and installed any available ones, you're all set. Keeping your Windows operating system up to date is a great way to maintain your computer's performance and security over time. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.